frame is obviously jinxed. It's a little bit, I pulled out a few nails to try to see if I could straighten it out before I put the trim in, but this frame is jacked up. I pulled it apart, and that explains why there's a big gap at the bottom. That explains why nobody put the 1x4s around this door. It's so jacked up out of square. In order to put the 1x4 at the top of the door, I have to cut a little bit of that siding back, and I'm going to do it with this WonderBlade. Thanks to the WonderBlade. And look at that. Blades are still good. That's that carbide tip. Outlast any kind of blade on the market. Mr. Happy House, tested and proved. Even beats Diablo.